Are you unknowingly leaving thousands of dollars on the table with your dividend investments? Imagine boosting your passive income simply by paying closer attention. Today, I am diving deep into the world of dividends to uncover if we have been missing out and how to fix it. Hello everyone, I am Steven, your host at the Money Mentor Hub. With over 10 years of experience in investment banking and as a key finance executive for Fortune 500 companies, I have helped countless individuals achieve financial freedom. In this video, I will reveal strategies to ensure you are not leaving any dividend income unclaimed. Stay tuned, because what you are about to learn could significantly impact your financial future. Passive income is the holy grail for many investors, and dividend income is one of the most effective ways to achieve it. But have you ever stopped to think about how much dividend income you are actually earning? Many investors are surprised to discover they might be leaving thousands on the table simply because they are not paying attention. One reason this happens is that dividend income is often viewed as a secondary source rather than a primary contributor to wealth. As a result, investors might not monitor it as diligently as they should. Additionally, some investors are unaware of how to claim their dividends or assume their broker is handling everything, leading to unclaimed earnings. But here is where it gets intriguing. Coming up, I will share a critical strategy that can help you reclaim lost dividend income and potentially add thousands to your portfolio. Another factor is a general lack of awareness. Many investors do not realize they are eligible for dividend payments or underestimate how much they could earn. This lack of knowledge can have a significant impact on your overall financial health. It is not just individual investors who are at fault. Sometimes financial institutions and brokers may not provide clear information about your dividend earnings, or they might charge excessive fees that eat into your returns. Lack of financial literacy further compounds the problem, making it challenging for investors to manage their dividends effectively. So, what can we do to ensure we are not leaving money on the table? Taking control of your dividend income is crucial. One effective strategy is to set up a dividend tracker. By actively monitoring your earnings, you can verify that you are receiving the correct amounts and identify opportunities to reinvest. But there is more. Stay with me, because soon I will reveal how working with the right financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities of dividend investing and maximize your returns. Educating yourself is also key. Understanding the tax implications, knowing how to reinvest dividends, and being aware of the fees associated with your investments can make a substantial difference in your earnings. Take my former client John, who increased his dividend income by 50% simply by proactively tracking his earnings and reinvesting them. Or consider Sarah, who reduced her fees by 20% after switching to a more transparent broker. These examples highlight how taking charge of your dividend income can lead to significant financial gains. If you are finding this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us continue providing insights to help you achieve financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start implementing these changes? Begin by reviewing your investment statements to ensure you are receiving all your entitled dividends. Consider using financial software or apps that specialize in dividend tracking. Additionally, consult with a financial advisor who can offer personalized advice tailored to your investment goals. As we approach the end of this video, let's recap. Leaving dividend income unclaimed is a common issue that can significantly impact your portfolio's performance. By being proactive, educating yourself, and possibly seeking professional guidance, you can avoid missing out on potential income and start maximizing your returns. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever discovered unclaimed dividend income? What steps are you taking to ensure you are not leaving money on the table? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their journey. Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take control of your dividend income and boost your passive earnings, start applying these strategies today. Remember, small steps can lead to significant financial growth over time. Before you go, be sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. It is packed with more tips on investment strategies and personal finance. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. See you in the next one.